Real estate offers numerous benefits that make it an attractive investment option for individuals and businesses alike. Here are several key advantages of investing in real estate. Appreciation. One of the primary benefits of real estate is its potential for long-term appreciation. Historically, real estate properties tend to increase in value over time. While there may be short-term fluctuations, well-located properties in growing areas generally appreciate in value, allowing investors to build wealth steadily. Rental income. Real estate provides a reliable source of passive income through rental payments. By owning a property, you can generate cash flow from tenants, which can help cover mortgage payments, property maintenance costs, and yield additional profit. Rental income can provide a consistent stream of revenue, making real estate an attractive investment for long-term financial security. Tax advantages. Real estate investors often benefit from various tax advantages. For example, rental income is generally taxed at a lower rate than ordinary income. Additionally, investors can deduct expenses related to property maintenance, repairs, property management fees, and mortgage interest, reducing their overall tax liability. Moreover, depreciation allows investors to deduct a portion of the property's value each year, further lowering taxable income. Portfolio diversification, including real estate in an investment portfolio, can help diversify risk. Real estate typically has a low correlation with other asset classes such as stocks and bonds, meaning that its value doesn't fluctuate in the same way as these other investments. By diversifying your portfolio, you can potentially reduce volatility and enhance overall returns. Hedge against inflation. Real estate investments have historically acted as a hedge against inflation. Inflation can lead to rising prices for goods and services, but it can also drive up property values and rental rates. As the cost of living increases, rental income and property values tend to rise, allowing real estate investors to maintain purchasing power and potentially benefit from increased cash flow. Leverage. Real estate investments offer the opportunity to use leverage, meaning you can finance a significant portion of the property's purchase price with borrowed funds. When the property appreciates, you benefit from the appreciation on the entire property value, not just the initial investment. This ability to amplify returns through leverage can be a powerful wealth-building tool in real estate investing. Control and tangible asset. Unlike other investment options such as stocks or bonds, real estate provides investors with tangible assets they can control. As the owner, you have the power to make decisions regarding the property, including renovations, improvements, and tenant selection. This control can give you a sense of security and the ability to influence the property's value and income potential. Potential for wealth creation. Real estate investment has been a proven pathway to wealth creation for many individuals. By purchasing properties strategically, leveraging financing options, and benefiting from appreciation and rental income, investors have the opportunity to build substantial net worth. Over time, real estate has been a primary wealth-building vehicle for countless individuals and continues to offer significant potential for financial growth. It's important to note that real estate investing also comes with risks, such as market fluctuations, property management challenges, and economic uncertainties. Conducting thorough research, understanding the local market conditions, and seeking professional advice are crucial steps in making informed investment decisions.